Carotek offers industry-leading process equipment training classes. Sessions are conducted by industry experts in their fields. Many are training professionals from the equipment manufacturers. Classes are held year-round and at our Process Solutions Summit. You can earn professional development hours for instrumentation, valves, steam, and pumps. And we offer customized training for groups. These convenient sessions include classroom-style learning mixed with hands-on labs in our process training unit. This PTU is a fully functional mini process plant that simulates real-life situations and problems. It has more than 130 instruments, valves, and pumps, a distributed control system, or DCS, and a batching system. This lab teaches hands-on remote monitoring, process control, and problematic troubleshooting. Carotek's mobile steam lab is equipped with a steam boiler and glass cutaways that show how the various steam components work. To keep pace with today's rapidly changing technology, our hands-on training emphasizes service and maintenance of industrial equipment in real-life process plants. Get more information and register for training at carotek.com.